Hello student, I am Professor Rohit Salve and in this video I am talking about the poem Leave This Chanting and Singing by Rabindranath Tagore. Firstly, we will discuss the important information about the poet Rabindranath Tagore. We Indians are proud of him, Rabindranath Tagore's 1861 to 1941, the only writer from India to have won Nobel Prize in Literature. He was poet, playwright, novelist and writer of short fiction. He started experimental school Shantiniketan. Rabindranath Tagore was introduced to Western world by W.B. Yeats. His famous work Gitanjali, which is also known as Song of Ring, preface of Gitanjali written by W.B. Yeats, also Rabindranath Tagore pursuing PhD under the guidance of W.B. Yeats. But here student defeated the teacher and won the Nobel Award in 1913. After 10 years, W.B. Yeats won Nobel Award in 1923. His famous novel Gahre Baire Gora Yoga Yo, his famous volume of poetry Mansi, Sonar Tari and Gitanjali, his famous play Dagghar, Post Office. He was a versatile artist and also skilled painter. After a prolonged illness, Tagore was died in August 1941.
Pearls of Wisdom. Leave This by Rabindranath Tagore. Leave this chanting and singing and telling of beads. Whom dost thou worship in this lonely dark corner of a temple with doors all shut? Open thine eyes and see thy God is not before thee. He is there where the tiller is tilling the hard ground and where the path maker is breaking stones. He is with them in sun and in shower, and his garment is covered with dust. Put off thy holy mantle, and even like him, come down on the dusty soil. Deliverance? Where is this deliverance to be found? Our Master himself has joyfully taken upon him the bonds of creation. He is bound with us all forever. Come out of thy meditations and leave aside thy flowers and incense. What harm is there if thy clothes become tattered and stained? Meet him and stand by him in toil and in sweat of thy brow.
Leave This Chanting and Singing is 11th number of poem in Gitanjali volume of poetry by Rabindranath Tagore. In this poem, Leave This Chanting and Singing, Rabindranath Tagore argues with the religious people to step out of the limited thinking and conventional way of praying and look the God among the people who doing the hard work. According to the Tagore, one cannot find the gods in chanting and singing, but God only find in hard work. That means he says that work is a worship. Rabindranath Tagore is famous for pantheism. Pantheism means identified God in the universe. He believed that nature and entire universe is the reflection of the God. He says that God could not exist inside the temple made by stone. God exists in entire universe. Look the gods among the people who doing the hard work. That means Rabindranath Tagore criticized all selfish and barren ritualism. Tagore claimed the holy man of the prayer is outdated method of chanting. He stresses holy man to meditate on the fact of finding God inside a lonely dark room with all doors shut. He says God is not in the dark chamber. Look the God among the people who is poor, who is a struggler and who is doing hard work. God is everywhere in the world. He says that God stands with the tillers or the cultivators, who is tilling or the cultivate the ground or fertilize the ground, and also in the path maker who is breaking the stone in the open air. God presented in heat of the sun and shower of the summer rain. Tagore imagined that God's garment is covered with dust means he presented in the poor people also. He advised holy man, all man's ultimate goal is the seek of God, and this is the liberation of soul from the cycle of birth and death. According to the Tagore, true religion consists in the love of man and in leading a helping hand less fortunate men and women who struggle hard. Tagore believed that service of man is the service of God. The man is to be a clear who is seeking to find his personal salvation by running away from the world. A participation in activity of life is essential for a realization of God. This poem, Leave This Chanting and Singing, is equally important in the world literature due to his exposing the pseudo-zeal worshipper everywhere. In this way, we will learn the poem very effectively and beautifully. If you like my video, please like it, share it, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Also press the bell icon for upcoming video.